Welcome to the GRAVIBAL CAR Wheel Balancer tutorial for adjusting the wheel position. The tutorial video is part of a series to help you use the GRAVIBAL CAR Wheel Balancer. Position the carry wheel brackets to the wanted size on the crossbar. And the second one. Position the crossbar on the size wanted. Do tighten so it is firm for stable operation. Even the screw is sticking up, do not worry. It cannot damage the rim. Depending on the rim producer, the wheel size may vary a little. As long as the size is within ±1 inch, the results will be perfect. The crossbar position has to be adjusted to fit when the wheel is mounted, as the third float carry wheel at the front of the GRAVIBAL CAR Wheel Balancer shall be able to move freely. The GRAVIBAL CAR Wheel Balancer has now been adjusted to fit a 19-inch wheel. This completes the adjustment of the wheel position. Thank you for watching the GRAVIBAL CAR Wheel Balancer tutorial for adjusting the wheel position.